There's a compliment that should worry you. I don't know what we'd do without you. It sounds like security. Listen closer. It can also be the sound of a ceiling being installed. Play it forward. The promotion conversation happens in a room you're not in, and it always includes one question: who takes their seat? If the answer is nobody, everything runs through them, the safe move is to leave you exactly where you are. Your indispensability just voted against you. And nobody did that to you. Most of us build it ourselves by keeping the hard calls, staying the only one who knows the system, being the name every escalation reaches. I watched this for 30 years inside big operations before I ever coached it. The names on the succession slide were never the busiest people. They were the ones whose teams ran without them, because that's the only proof the next level accepts. The fix isn't doing less. It's building on purpose. Pick the person who could hold your seat, not perfectly, but credibly, and start moving real things to them now. Visible things. Let them run the meeting that matters. Let their name go on the work. When the room upstairs asks who takes the seat, you want the obvious answer to be there before the question is asked. It feels like job security being the one nobody can replace. It's the opposite. The leader who can't be replaced can't be promoted because the seat can't be filled behind him. If you want the next role, the fastest path isn't being irreplaceable. It's building someone who can do your job so well that moving you up is the obvious call. Replaceability isn't a risk. It's the runway.